Hey, what's up, guys? Group Desano here, and I'm just gonna do a quick review on Bitcoin because I was thinking earlier that everything and everyone is calling 8,000. Other people are calling like 6,000. I don't know why 6,000. Okay, um, but I wouldn't. I just wanted to tell you what I'm thinking. Here we have this channel. This is valid. I would like to draw it like this. It's better. Um, and the thing is that we had this dump. Right now the price is trying just to go up, but I think that it's gonna be a dead cat bounce. But what happened if it's not a dead cat bounce? First, we need to find support here. Okay, around this level again, 9,800. Before to think it goes above this resistance. Okay, so this is just gonna be a strong resistance. Right now it's not support anymore, this resistance. But if we have a close above this resistance, um, bulls could have an opportunity. Okay. There is also this falling wedge or channel around here. We draw it like, okay. Here we have one. We're having another channel like this around this level. Okay. So I would take a look at this. And the thing is that we're still sideways, okay? We haven't done anything below this level. We had some candles here in July. So as long as we stay above 9,300 on Bybit, this is still a sideways market. Yeah, everything looks like it's going down. And that's why I'm not opening any longs yet. Okay, I think that we could go to 9,000 around this level because there's a lot of support here. We can see some wicks, but here around this level. Okay, if we go below 9,000, the next one would be 8,000. And if we don't find support, like if Bitcoin doesn't go sideways, just like it went sideways around this level on December, I think we could go lower. Okay, but first, let's go step by step because we cannot call in 5,000 if we don't have any confirmation of a dump here. So yeah, everything looks bearish, but also that's why we need to be cautious. Okay. Also, I want to talk about Ethereum because, well, let me finish with Bitcoin, and after that we're having like this could be a symmetric triangle from this part around here. So we should take a look at this. If we just let this and this, I'm just gonna erase this one and this one. Here we still have a triangle, and the thing is that we have this amazing uptrend, then sideways. And the thing is that I'm not opening any longs until we break this, all this resistance here. And after, if we break this resistance, I'm just go all in again. Right now I'm in mostly in Tether and Bitcoin. If we break down this support, because we bounce on this support, I will short the coin here. If we find a retest like some weeks, just like around here, if we start to see some weeks here, then I would short it. Let's go with Ethereum. Here it is. Okay. if you saw the last video, I was talking about Ethereum and this descending triangle. It breaks down. So this is something that I wouldn't trade right now. Yeah, we opened some shorts here, and the target could be 149. I was looking earlier at this falling wedge. So we're having this line that is acting as support, as resistance, and there is a falling wedge here. So I would be looking at it, okay, like this, or even like this. Yeah, I like this falling wedge, but we need to take a look at this. Okay, so we opened some shorts here. Here was the risk reward. 149 was our target. Around this level, okay. These weeks. 152. I would just move my stop loss to the entry point, because if the price start to see some support here in the falling wedge, the upwards would be pretty good. How you measure this falling wedge? You go from here, from the opening to the close, then you just move this line to the breakout point, like this. Okay. Also, if you like Elliott waves, I don't like it that much, but this would be the counting. Okay, we're having 1, 2, this is the biggest one, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The third one is the biggest one. And then we could have something like an ABC relief, A, B around this level, like this. Okay. This is just some Elliott waves thing. I don't like it that much, but that's how it works. After looking at this falling wedge, I wouldn't open any shorts around this level. Only if we get rejected of the falling wedge, something like this. So it's going down like sideways. We can see a wick and then go down, and we have seen this a lot of times. We saw it on Bitcoin, not with falling wedge, but here it was trying to close above the resistance around this level, and then it went down. Also here it went above the trend line and then went down. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that on Ethereum in this falling wedge. Just be careful. Let's see what the indicators are saying. Okay, yeah, as you know, I really like this SCI. It's looking pretty oversold on the daily. It's looking oversold as well as the RSI. I would like to see more history, so I'm just gonna change it to Bitfinex here. Okay, so we're having this. Look at this. Okay, so the RSI is pretty oversold, and if we start going down, we could see something like this on the RSI. I think we're in this level, around this. Even if we're here, or we're somewhere like this. Okay, so if we're here and we find that it's trying to go up, it found resistance on this trend line and the resistance above here in 177, we could short and close our shorts around this area, 146, 149, and be prepared to buy the dip. Okay, I don't think we're going lower. I don't think we're not going to see Ethereum below 100. Okay, that would be insane. I don't think that we're gonna see Ethereum in 115, not even or not probably in the next months. But I think that 146 is a good target, only if we do not break this trend line. So I would draw this trend line in your trading view as the falling wedge that I showed to you. Set some alerts. Just gonna set the alert and I'll post it in my channel if it breaks upwards. Okay. Well, I don't know what's going on with my trading view. I'm expecting a sideways weekend. Normally, the crypto markets do not move a lot in the weekends, and there's gonna be a lot of resistance on Ethereum. Okay, 185. So I'm expecting a lot of resistance here. We can see something like this going sideways for the weekend, the RSI going up, then a retest and then going down. But if we find support around here, I would just close the shorts. If you have some, if you're having some shorts of the last video here, I would close it and looking for longs. Okay. I haven't seen a lot of things lately because everything is going down with Bitcoin. I like to see my list. Okay. Nothing crazy. Yeah, Cardano is for, I don't know. I wouldn't trade this one right now. I would like to see it above this line. Sorry. Above this first resistance just to open it. I don't mind just missing 15% because I know if we find support here and even if we find support here, I would like to see something like this before buying, like sideways and trying to go this place, then find support here and then just going up. So I'm just gonna wait for this on Cardano. I was also asked by BMV. I draw this line and I was saying like if it goes above this line I would probably buy some BNB. And why? Because I was looking at here and I knew that if Bitcoin started to go down, Binance Coin would be going down as well. So I'm just gonna wait. I think that Binance Coin could go to this place, to the point 786. Also, it's gonna be a strong psychological support, just like this. It was resistance, here resistance as well. Let me show you. Here, it was resistance, resistance, resistance. I think we can flip this resistance to support and just going sideways, like for, I don't know, weeks or something. So yeah, I wouldn't buy Binance Coin right now. And then the last one, it would be in Solar, just because it made a really nice bump. As I said in my channel, I wouldn't buy in Solar until it goes this first resistance. Okay, yeah, I know it made a 50% bump and I miss it, and I knew this line was gonna act as support resistance. Once it went here, it found support here in just one day, and then it started to pump. I'm expecting some sideways here in this support here, yeah, sideways, just for the RSI to cool down. And I'm just hoping that in this level it starts to find some support. Okay, guys, look at all these support lines. And yeah, this is not a bad place to buy some in solar if you think, if you trust in the project. I really like it. I made a Q&A on this project, and if you like it, I would set something like this. Okay, 261 satoshis right now, just a stop loss at 233, and my target would be 355. And if it goes above this resistance and it finds support, I'm just gonna buy more and more. But I don't know, I would be waiting. I would wait here, honestly, just because the Bitcoin the dominance is too high, and I would like to see the market cap, I don't know why I had this, but fuck it. Yeah, it's looking pretty similar to Bitcoin, to be honest. Look at all this. And yeah, I just wanted to show you one last thing. Okay, look at this triangle. It's breaking down. Yeah, we can find some support at 9,000. But the thing that I want to show you is, would you long or short this? Okay, so here we could say that there is an ascending triangle here, with the resistance at 9,400. We're coming from a downtrend, so I would give 50% and 50% chances to go up or down. The RSI is not telling anything. The CCI is telling us to long, okay, since this place, but this drop 10,000. So it's giving us mixed signals, okay? We're having support in the 20 MA and the 50 MA. We're having some resistance with the 200 MA. This is a downtrend until proven otherwise. So that's why I would be waiting for Bitcoin, because this is Bitcoin. It looks similar to the top of 2017, so I would be careful. But we need some confirmation. We need to close below 9,000, I would say. Okay. So that's it. Like, I wouldn't long, I wouldn't short with a lot of leverage, just because we still have this last. I'm just gonna change it. This last support, okay. We still have the support, so we're still in a sideways market until we break 9,200. And if you want to wait for confirmation, I would wait for 9,000 to break down. Until that, we're still in a sideways market. Okay, guys, so that's my review for the weekend. Hope you like it. And let me know your thoughts. You know where to reach me: Twitter, Telegram, everything, email. So that's it. Have a good weekend.